Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. Here I would like to announce one good news for you. From today onwards, we are going to start new sessions on competitive exams like Olympiad exam or talent search exam and so on. Whatever questions I am going to explain, these questions will not only help you to solve the question in short span of time, but also will boost your confidence, which will help you to crack the exam with good numbers. So let's go with first question. Let's read the question carefully. Question is, find the value of y plus x, and options are available here. Such type of question should be solved within 30 to 35 seconds. How? The logic is here. If you observe this part, 120 is subtracted from such a number so that resultant will be 0. It must be number itself, that is 120. So this y should be replaced by 2. Here we have got the value of y. Let's move to this x. Here 15 nines are 135. Means the value of x must be 9. Here I will mention one hint. Don't go for further calculations and don't waste your time. Here we have got both the values, value of y that is 2 and value of x that is 9. And this is not our answer. We have to find out y plus x. So y plus x, it will be 11. So here option D is correct option. Students, you might have liked the logic behind the question, and such type of logic is available only on Sure Success Classes. For next question, first we will read the question carefully. Identify the number from the clues given below. While reading, just look at the options simultaneously. First clue is, I am a 4-digit number. All are 4-digit numbers. Next clue, I am an odd number. An odd number is identified by its units place. In this option, except option C, all are odd numbers. This is even number. So just simply skip this option. Next clue, my 1000 place digit is twice of my tens place digit. We know this is the 1000 place of the given number. In option A, 8 is not twice of 9. So this doesn't fulfill the condition. This is not our answer. In this option, 6 is twice of 3. If we check this option, 8 is not twice of 6. So this will be not our answer. And in option B, 6 is twice of 3 means all these three conditions are fulfilled by this option. We read the last clue. The difference between my units place digit and tens place digit is 2. Here the difference between unit and tens place digit, 5 minus 3, it is 2. Means all conditions are fulfilled by this option. So this is the correct option. Go for next question. First we will read the question carefully. There are 5 girls standing in a row. Megha is second girl from the last. Garima is between Priya and Latika. Here I am highlighting first letter of their names, Garima, Priya and Latika. Beena is just after Megha. Beena, Megha. Priya is in the middle. Who is at the first position? And options are here. In this statement, Priya is in the middle. If she is in the middle, then how she can be at the first position? So simply we'll omit this option. Suppose these girls are standing in a row in this way, 4, 5. We'll number them. Now if we read this first statement, Megha is second girl from the last. If we consider this is first position, then this will be the last position, and she is second girl from the last, means Megha will be at the this place or fourth place. Megha, she is at this place. Next statement, Garima is between Priya and Latika. We don't know places of these girls, so we will just mention this statement beside here, Priya and Latika. Garima is between Priya and Latika, or we can write it in this way, Garima is between Priya and Latika. Beena is just after Megha. Beena is just after, means wherever there is Megha, just after, next to Megha, there will be Beena. And Priya is in the middle. Here we have got the place of Priya. So here we will apply this logic. We will go with these places. Latika, Garima is present between Priya and Latika, means at the first position Latika is present there. So option C is correct option. We will take it. Got it? Here I have written initials of their names. Most of the students commit mistake at this point. They waste their time in writing entire name. So don't make such type of mistake. Use initials of their names. Let's start our next question. First we will read the question carefully. Find the missing number if certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Options are given here and the question is in this format. Generally in such type of questions, the relation of first two numbers is with third number, or there may be relation of second and third number with first number, or there is a relation between first and third number with middle number. So you have to think here wisely. In this question you may go column wise or row wise. If you observe the question, in this question the relation of second and third number is with first number. Here if you perform the multiplication of 6 and 8, we will get the product 48. In the same way here also 13 sevens are 91. So to get our answer we have to perform multiplication of these two numbers, and if you multiply 12 by 15, then here we will get 15 2s are 30, 3 carry over, 15 1s are 50 and 15, and 3 180. So the number at the question mark will be 180, and the correct option is C, 180.